This man killed his neighbor because he was snoring too loud. Let me explain. In Upper Moreland, Pennsylvania, neighbors Christopher Casey and Robert Wallace routinely battled one another. Robert was driven mad by Christopher's loud snoring, smashing his window and threatening him. Although Robert later offered to pay for Christopher's medical bills to ease the tensions, this gesture was met with suspicion. In a shocking turn, Christopher stabbed Robert multiple times with a military knife, leading to Robert's eventual death. Afterwards, Christopher inflicted a stab wound on himself before police arrived. He survived and pled guilty to involuntary manslaughter and then received a short prison sentence. Subscribe for more.